this is the look for today's video. If you want to see how to achieve this look, keep watching. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a first date makeup look. So I don't remember the last time I actually went on a first date. So, and do people even go on dates anymore? I don't know. It seems like it's dying. Anyways, okay, so I'm going to show you how to achieve this look. It's very subjective, but the way I see it is a nice rose gold, kind of smoky brown, very sultry and nothing too dramatic and over the top. More of a softer look, yet subtle. So needless to say, I'm going to be primarily focusing on the colors around here, neutrals primarily. So to start with, enough of my rambling. I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to dust that all over my lid. Sometimes I do this, other times I don't. It depends on how I'm feeling, if I want a base for the makeup look or not. I find it doesn't really make a difference, at least for me. So if you want to add it, you can. If not, I find it's totally optional, at least for my makeup looks. Next, I'm going to take this color right here.
And I'm going to work it into my crease.
I just realized I got so into blending that I started to close my eyes and then I opened them and thought, okay, wow, what am I doing? Am I really that into this? Okay. I don't know, sometimes I just find it relaxing to do my makeup. A little bit darker brown to work that into my crease. I find that if you're trying to achieve a softer look for the crease, circular motions are much better than per se going in with the brush very harsh in a very harsh movement like this. So circular soft motions. Now that I have established the crease, I'm going to go ahead and take a very, very small amount of this color here. I'm going to apply it right in the outer corner of my lid. Next, I'm going to take a very pretty color. I love this one right here. It's not really rose gold. It's more of a shimmery beige. And it's very pretty, subtle color. It kind of reminds me of a New Year's Eve color. Lastly, I am going to take this white, just pure white, and add a hint of that inner corner of my eyes. because I'm obsessed with the way that this white color makes my eyes pop. And that is the finished look. So if you like this, thumbs up and subscribe. So that is the finished look. I hope you guys liked. If you wanted to add foundation, concealer, etc., mascara, gloss to your look, feel free. But I thought I would just show you the eyeshadow aspect of it. I'm not a huge fan of everything else. I very much love the eyeshadow, but in terms of the other products, I'd rather skip them. So this is the look. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.